The Samsung 50-inch frame TV offers a unique art mode that transforms your television into a personal art gallery when it is not in use for watching shows. Its advanced anti-reflection technology with a matte display ensures vibrant colors and minimal glare, providing an exceptional viewing experience both day and night. Customization is at your fingertips with the modern teak bezel that adds a touch of elegance and allows you to match the TV to your home decor effortlessly. The magnetic bezels are designed for easy installation and swapping, allowing you to update your TV's look quickly and without hassle. Included in the package is a screen cleaner kit that effectively removes dust and fingerprints, maintaining your screen's clarity without leaving any residue. Samsung's 50-inch frame TV combines cutting-edge technology with aesthetic versatility, making it a top choice for those seeking both functionality and style in their home entertainment setup.